Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll dive into the privacy features of this amazing tool. So, let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly introduce the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. It's a free and open source extension that enhances your browsing experience by dimming the background and focusing your attention on the video content. Now, let's explore how this extension prioritizes user privacy. When it comes to privacy, Turn Off the Lights takes it very seriously. The developers understand the importance of keeping your information secure and confidential. They have implemented robust measures to ensure that no data is distributed or shared with third parties. Turn Off the Lights extension does not collect any personally identifiable information, PII, from its users. It neither requires any registration nor asks for access to your personal data. Your browsing activities remain private, and the extension doesn't track or store any information about the websites you visit. Another great aspect of Turn Off the Lights is its open source nature. The extension's source code is publicly available for scrutiny, allowing developers and users to examine its inner workings. This transparency builds trust among the user community, as anyone can verify that their privacy is not compromised. The team behind Turn Off the Lights consistently updates the extension to address any potential security vulnerabilities. They actively monitor the latest security practices and promptly fix any reported issues. Your online safety is their top priority. A tip: to check you are using the latest version, in Google Chrome open the Extensions page, check the developer mode switch is enabled, and click on the button, Updates. This will check all Chrome extension is using the latest version. If not, it will instantly update it. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this information useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, happy browsing!